Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most common carbon monoxide poisoning sources: gas space heaters, furnaces and chimneys, backdrafting, gas stoves, generators and other gasoline-powered equipment, automobile exhaust from attached garages. The 29th of June 2016.
Take our lead.
Dogs aren't able to sense or smell carbon monoxide, so they're not able to alert their owners to its presence before it happens or when the first leak of carbon monoxide is evident, but it is true that dogs will be affected by carbon monoxide much quicker than humans. 19 June 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Average levels in homes without gas stoves vary from 0.5 to 5 parts per million, ppm. Levels near properly adjusted gas stoves are often 5 to 15 ppm, and those near poorly adjusted stoves may be 30 ppm or higher. 1 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Carbon monoxide, CO, is a colorless, odorless gas found wherever fuel is burned. That means carbon monoxide sources include trucks, cars and small engines, as well as certain household appliances, including gas ranges, furnaces, fireplaces and grills. 26 March 2019.
Take our lead.
As a minimum, each home should have one CO detector on each floor, one in or just outside each sleeping area, and one in the basement. In homes where multiple bedrooms adjoin a common hallway, a single detector in the hallway can provide protection for all of the rooms. 24 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.